There's the slide. This is a tree. I'm on a surfboard. We have a floating couch, hammocks, a boat floating 6 feet above the groundwater. The best oceanfront view ever. This is gonna be, oh dude, I think this is even better than the last 24-hour challenge in a tree.
Minutes 310.4. Copy.
What is going on, fellow members of the JoogSquad? We're spending 24 hours in a tree, I think, and a couch hanging from a tree, and a surfboard hanging from a tree, and also hammocks hanging from a tree. It's a race against time. All right, one thing I definitely have to do, llamas, is buy the new Fortnite skin before it goes away. I gotta get the bandit. All right, we have 2 ladders in place as of right now. We have a ton more work to do, but it's getting late, 4:47. I'm gonna climb up there and we are going to begin. Official start time. I'm making my way up the ladder right now and the challenge has begun. All right, John, you're gonna have to hand me everything. All right, we're getting somewhere slowly. So we've come up with a brilliant idea to put a couch in the tree for maximum comfort and maximum comfort. First, we need a platform, which is a surfboard, so that I'm not sitting on this ladder because this is very uncomfortable. This will be perfect to sit on. We have the wave storm. We have this hammock. We have this hammock. I tied off these ropes and those ropes so that we can put a couch in a tree. Woo! Woo! Are you having trouble, mate? You got it? I can't come down, so I'm relying on you guys to put the couch in the tree. Do not ask me why. We speak Australian every time we do 24-hour challenges. Just enjoy it. And if anyone out there is Australian, let me know how good of a job we're doing on our accents. JoogSquad. Oh my gosh. Get it right there. Alright, let's do it, mate. Hey, we got a couch in a tree. Yeah, guys, yes. Look at this too. We got the beachfront view, baby. Alright, wait, who's sleeping on the couch? Because I totally will. Is it sittable now? You're gonna be fine, dude. You're fine. Yeah, give him the back cushions. Bam. Woo! Couch surfing! Dude, this thing is not sturdy. Yes, dude. No way.
Thanks, mate. Yes, mate.
Alright, we gotta test out the couch.
We already got Merrick up in here. Jack dropping in. We got paracord on one side, we got good rope on the other. What's that, Mike?
You're all chilling.
Yes, Mike. Catch some waves. I've seen some better days.
About 2 foot surf, and it's a little breezy. I'm gonna pick up through the night. Hopefully no rain, but probably will get some.
How long you been in the tree already there, Jackie?
Oh, I've been up here for like 2 hours now.
Nice.
A little bit more than 2 hours. We only have 22 to go. It's fine. It's not a big deal. I wouldn't worry about it.
How high up would you say you are right now, Jack?
12 feet. We're in a tree in a couch with an oceanfront view. What? Sun is almost gone. We're gonna try to get this boat up in the tree. No, I tested out. I can't tell if I'm high. What are we doing, dude? I thought this was just supposed to be hammocks. I've heard of running ashore, but this is ridiculous. What are we doing? What are we doing? Screw you guys.
Yeah, let's put the porta potty up there. Yeah, we got to.
We need a
Porta potty. Just put it right up on that.
On this?
On that.
No, that's we gotta do another branch. We have too much weight on that branch over there. I'm sleeping in the boat, dude. Yeah. Wild man Merrick has caught a ghetto. I might put him in the couch so he eats all the bugs that are living in there. He has no fear. I've shown him I'm not going to eat him. And he is no longer worried about being a meat. Where is he, mate? Merrick, we're being attacked. We're being attacked, Merrick! Merrick! Get over here, mate. Get over here, mate. I'm not sure what it is. It's a T-Rex, mate! Oh my god! Oh! Oh, climb, 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 guys, climb, 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 go up, go up. T-Rexes can't climb. Man, he's climbing! They have tiny arms. How's he doing this, mate? Woo! Woo! Merrick, Merrick, oh, he's trapped in a rope, mate. Hit him, mate, hit him. Oh, oh! Wait, that's not a dinosaur, dude. That's Robbie Rob gang, dude. Robbie Rob. Hey, dude. What up, man? How are you? I'm glad you joined us. You want a spot on the couch, maybe in the boat? Merrick, what are you doing down there, mate? Did you just piss off the couch?
I pissed the couch off.
Pissed it off. What'd you say to it? Why would you hurt the couch's feelings like that?
Gave him a golden shower.
Dude, can we talk about how we have a surfboard in the tree?
Well, I would like to talk about how we have a boat.
How high up is that? Like 6 feet too? Here's the bottom of the one.
Yeah, I'd say about 5.5.
5.5, 6 feet. This wave is double overhead, mate.
My shoes!
Might as well kick the other one off too. At least that way they'll be together, mate. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to knock your shoe off, but I did film it. So somebody at home might laugh. Comment down below if you just laughed at me kicking back shoe all the time. Alright, it's only tradition to try to order, but you can't show the number to the people, dude.
Who cares? It's Domino's. Let them get spam called.
It is tradition to order Domino's on a 24-hour challenge and try to convince them to bring us the pizza. Oh, it is.
We need a couple of pizzas delivered.
We have a delivery? Oh my gosh. Cooler.
It did bring ice cream for dessert.
Oh,
Ice
shit.
cream? What? It's already cold as shit up here, dude.
Also, for you vegetarians, I brought salad.
Yeah!
Salad.
Wait, there's a dress, Merrick,
Yeah,
for you?
not for you.
Dude, you're wearing the dress.
Oh, dude.
Oh, hey, I'm gonna go to Instagram. I'm gonna ask Instagram, okay?
Should I wear it or should you wear it?
Yeah. Oh!
Jack's wearing the dress now.
I was sorry.
Merrick, what'd you do?
I'm getting pissed all over myself.
I pissed all over him, mate. You got golden showered.
Howdy, mate. We're up here. Come to the ladder.
You're a legend. We're not allowed to leave this tree actually for 24 hours, so.
Alright, got it.
Thank you.
Don't worry about it.
Oh!
You're a legend, mate. Have a good night.
Oh! 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 Good job, Merrick. You also
Yes,
roasted
good
the
job,
lady that
Michelle.
worked there. It is 1:30 in the morning, and I'm in the couch, signing out for the night, unless the cops come, which is likely, but if not, I'll see you guys in the morning. Yeah, the wind's like 25 miles an hour too. We're doing our best out here. Oh, it's so bright. We made it through the night. Except we got woken up by Tfue and Dick Savage. Alright, it's noon. We got such a good night's sleep on the boat. I don't have any complaints this morning, do you?
It was a little windy, but it was not.
Yeah, it was like 30-mile-an-hour winds last night. We're good. So I just finished the slide video. So I think one of the hardest parts about this entire challenge is the fact that we have to edit each video during the next 24-hour challenge. So like I've been sitting here all morning editing the 24 hours on the slide to upload it today so that we can continue this challenge, finish this challenge, and then today start the challenge of the video that you guys are going to watch tomorrow while editing today's video that day. We have about 3 hours left to decide what 24-hour challenge we are going to do next. I got my computer right here. As soon as it's done processing, we're going to go through the list and we are going to come to a conclusion of what we want for the next 24-hour challenge. So as soon as we figure that out, I'll see you guys in a second. Jay's joined us in the boat in the tree. Nice, mate, nice. Yeah, we got the whole setup out here. Jay's gonna join us for this third 24-hour challenge, I believe. We're just trying to figure out what we should do. We're thinking either on a golf course in ghillie suits, in the porta potty, in a forest, or in Walmart. Should we just let Instagram decide?
Yeah.
Oh God. That you know they're gonna go with the porta potty.
What about surfing?
Oh dude, I did a poll on who has to wear a dress.
She took
As bushes.
as bushes.
Ah! I thought they were gonna cuck me! Get wrecked! Oh my God, no way, dude. I was so sure that I was screwed. I was like, dude, the fans are totally gonna cuck me.
You got.
Oh, get wrecked. Everybody go comment nice dress on the picture that Merrick just posted on his Instagram of him wearing a dress. Get it, Jay! Oh, dude, I thought you were surfing, but you're actually up in a tree. It's beautiful outside. The wind calmed down a little bit. Still pretty windy though. Getting ready to climb out of the tree to embark on our third 24-hour challenge in this series of 7. No way! Come to the ladder. We're not allowed to leave. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. How you guys doing? Great.
Awesome. Thank you, Jack.
Now. we're an hour away, so this is perfect. Oh man. Oh man, what a way to close the final hour. Shout out to Juice Habit. If you guys have not been here, you're blowing it. Because this place kills it. Yep, we did it! Hey, Merrick just woke up and we did it! Honestly, this has been my favorite 24-hour challenge so far. This was so nice. This was so fun. It was relaxing. Now we gotta get all of our stuff and get to a golf course because according to Instagram, that's what you guys want. We were just gonna pick your guys' comments and do them, but we're picking like the 4 best ones, putting them on Instagram and having you guys vote on them. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, you want to follow Merrick on Instagram, vote on our polls over the next 5 days. Do it! Let's climb down. I don't even feel like climbing down, but we need to start the next challenge, so I'm climbing down. One small step for man. One giant leap in the 168-hour challenge. Back on ground, time to go to the golf course. Oh!
I love it! We're the most in the world.
2 in a row, going for 3. I'll see you in 24 hours.